Two healthcare giants, familiar names to millions, but one crucial question: which one actually meets your needs? On one side, UnitedHealthcare, the established powerhouse with nationwide reach. On the other, Oscar Health, the tech-driven newcomer shaking things up. Let's cut through the marketing speak and focus on what truly matters. We'll stack them up category by category, awarding points along the way so you'll know exactly who takes the lead. The winner may surprise you, stay tuned. First, let's break down what we're comparing. We've got premium costs, network size, digital experience, plan variety, member support, and of course, customer satisfaction. So yeah, it's not just about how much you pay, it's also about how smooth the whole thing feels. Let's talk money first, premium costs. So UnitedHealthcare definitely gives you a whole range of plan options, and if you're eligible, some decent subsidies. But if you don't qualify for those subsidies, honestly, UHC does get kinda pricey. Oscar Health, on the other hand, their plans are super competitively priced, and oh, and here's something cool, they actually show those prices really transparently online. But heads up, those lower premiums sometimes mean higher deductibles, so you wanna watch for that. Still, between the two, Oscar just feels more budget-friendly for most people. Okay, so when it comes to network size, UnitedHealthcare is just like massive. I'm talking the largest provider network across the US with major hospitals included, pretty wild. The only catch is if you step outside their network, get ready, cause it gets expensive quick. Now Oscar, they've been growing their network too, especially in those bigger cities, but it's just not as huge and coverage can be spotty state to state. So if access everywhere is your thing, UHC takes this one, no question. Now let's talk digital experience, because who wants to be on hold or faxing forms, right? UnitedHealthcare actually has a solid member portal and a mobile app with a bunch of features, but honestly it feels a bit overwhelming sometimes. Oscar, though, comes in as that techie upstart. Their app is super modern, you get 24/7 virtual care with doctor on call, and filing claims online is way smoother. They're still tweaking a few tools, but Oscar just feels easy and fresh. Digital winner, yeah, it's Oscar by a mile. Oh, and did you know, Oscar Health actually started as a tech startup way back in 2012. Basically, their whole mission was just to reimagine what health insurance could look like, which is kinda bold, right? For plan variety here, where UnitedHealthcare just flexes on the competition. Basically, every type of health plan you could want, HMO, EPO, PPO, Medicare, Medicaid, they've got it. Almost too many options, honestly, and it gets a little confusing to sort through. Oscar, they mostly stick to ACA marketplace and individual or family plans. So if you're after those government plans or big employer coverage, UHC is where you'll find it. This one's clearly in their corner. Member support time, UnitedHealthcare offers a 24/7 nurse hotline and a super thorough FAQ section. But customer service waits can be a pain according to a lot of folks. For Oscar, they do things a little differently with their concierge teams and this really friendly, fast digital chat feature. The only drawback is they're not 24/7 in every single state just yet. Still, if you want quick, personal answers, Oscar feels more responsive, especially online. Customer satisfaction, always a biggie. UHC gets solid JD Power scores and tons of big employers go with them. That said, you will see some complaints about billing headaches or disputes, which, yikes. Oscar stands out for making onboarding really simple, and their ACA plan ratings are actually above average. They're still not as well known cause they're kinda the new kid, but for people who have used them, the satisfaction is actually pretty impressive. Gotta say, Oscar edges out here. So if you look at all those categories side by side, you can really see the strengths pop. UnitedHealthcare is the OG with a huge network and tons of plans, but Oscar is clearly making noise with tech, pricing, and support. Alright, here's my 2 cents. If you need those big-name hospitals and want all the plan types, UnitedHealthcare is honestly the safer bet. But if you're someone who loves doing things online, is all about easy access, and you want to keep costs in check, especially if you're shopping the marketplace, Oscar Health is a super smart pick. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.